I'm gonna hold on to this until we get Glenn back, okay? I'll take good care of it.
What do you think?
I think Doug's not great around zombies. You got your family here. I'll take Carly and her dead eye down to the motor inn, get Glenn, and get back here as fast as I can.
If that's what you want to do.
Somebody's got to.
Yeah, I'm in.
Good. Doesn't sound too bad there right now.
Let me know as soon as you want to head out. I could use a jog.
Zuerst muss ich mal meine Energie schriggel. Ah! Was haben wir da? Energieriegel. Geldautomat haben wir schon durchsucht. Ja, was haben wir denn noch? Dann haben wir da Zeitung.
Central High-Tech State. Paper's a week old. Feels like years.
Dann haben wir da hinten noch Korktafel.
Heard or seen anything?
Nothing, luckily. Wanna step outside, have a look around?
I'm not suicidal yet.
No, the gate out there is closed. We can hang out in front of the store and be fine.
Ja, så kan man också lugga.
Let's go have a look around.
Cool. And we'll keep it down. Don't need to bring them back this way with any unnecessary noises.
Agreed.
Dann zeige ich ihm doch gerade meine neue Rakete, die ich gefunden habe. Jesus.
They just
Eat. As far as I can tell, that's all they care about.
and if one gets you.
They eat you. And whatever's left comes back as one of them.
How the fuck?
I think it might be more than a couple days before all this gets sorted out.
Yeah, I think so too. We better keep it down out of here.
Ja, Ziegelstein.
Reach that brick.
Der Prick.
Look at the one trapped over there.
Better him than us, huh?
B. Everett.
Oh shit.
What? Do you know that guy?
Ist mein Vater, oder was? So ungefähr. Er könnte in der Droge.
He could be a drugstore employee.
So you're saying he might have the pharmacy keys?
I'm saying he might have the pharmacy keys.
I don't know. Could be anybody, you know? They start rotting and get all chewed up and...
Shut up, Doug. Look at the uniform, though. He could have worked at the drugstore and died with keys in his pocket.
It would take a lot of effort to make it safe enough to go out there and see if he has the keys. If we could somehow prove that he worked here, I think it'd be worth it.
I'll see what I can find.
Ich kann ihm den Ziegelstein anrühren.
Yeah, that's a hasty fortification job. over
Bumser
there.
rein.
Yeah, it didn't work.
It's a combination lock.
Combination.
Guys try to get in there and get weapons.
I did, but it was too risky. And then a bunch of guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
I think they're most of who you see wandering around out there.
Ooh. Ja, was haben wir da?
Too bad we don't have a way to come out here and watch the news.
Would be nice to know what's going on elsewhere.
Atlanta's in rough shape, that's all I know.
Also, haben wir noch nichts. Ich glaube, da können wir noch nichts machen. Gehen wir zurück. Ja.
Let's head back inside.
Okay.
Oh. Tja, sieht krass aus. Ui. So. Was haben wir da? Radio? Oh. Parfüm.
What are you
Also.
messing around with there?
A radio. I can't get it to work, though.
Here, let me have a look.
Kein Volumen, kein Power.
Nothing.
Es ist drehen. Und dann.
There are no batteries in this thing.
What now?
Oh,
There are no
achte.
batteries in that thing.
Yeah, of course. I mean, yeah. No.
I can try to find some. Needs two.
Thanks. I wouldn't even really know what to look for.
Ernsthaft.
You're a pretty good shot.
Well, you don't fuck with a reporter, especially one that's 3 days out from her last cup of coffee.
Bist du bereit für da draußen? Nein, warte, ich kann noch nicht gehen. Ich bin auf der
I'm still
Suche.
looking for batteries for that thing.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Du hast tapfer
You seem to
geschlagen.
handle yourself pretty well.
Really? I'm a disaster.
I can't tell.
My news editor was eaten about 5 feet away from me, and I would have joined her if it wasn't for that dorky guy on watch over there.
I'm sorry.
She was an asshole, but, you know.
Yeah.
Der Typ hat dich gerettet, ich bin auf der Suche nach Batterien. Ja, dann.
That guy saved you?
Yeah, can you believe it? Those creeps, or ghouls, or whatever the hell they are. They were pulling our van apart, and that guy, Doug, just came to the rescue.
You can never tell who the heroic ones are gonna be, I suppose.
He's kind of cute. In that parents' basement sort of way.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, nothing.
Ja. Und bist du hier
How'd you
gelandet?
end up here?
We drove up to cover the Cherry Blossom Festival. Real hard-hitting stuff.
Sounds worth it.
Bist du bereit für da draußen? Ich bin... Nein,
Better get
warte.
back to it.
Yep.
Gib mir noch ein Moment, ich muss jetzt schauen, was da hinten in dem hohen Raum drin ist.
We just need to get back to Fort
Oh,
Lauderdale.
Zeitungsausschnitte, Fotos.
I don't remember them very well.
Also, du bist eh gekommen. Ah, ich kann die hohen Schockregel verteilen. Ja, warte, ich will schauen. Nochmal so einen. 3 habe ich. Nein, ihr kommt keinen über, sind scheiße. Du kommst einen über.
It's not much, but here you go.
Thank you.
Of course.
Dann. Ja, komm, den kenn ich. Geile Sicher, er hat geschlägelt, du kommst auch einen
Get some
über.
rest, hon.
It's
Da,
not
für die Cat.
much, but here. For the boy.
Oh, thanks, Lee. He appreciates it.
That's sweet, Lee.
Nicht tot! Der! Ja, einen habe ich noch, ich den selber fressen. Oh ja, wen gebe ich ihn jetzt? Also kein anderer mehr, oder? Scheiße. Oh. Ihm? Nein, ich kann ihn gar nicht geben, also gebe ich ihn.
Here. I've been finding some stuff to eat.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Are you sure your girl doesn't need it?
She's good. I've been trying to keep her fed and watered.
You're a good caretaker.
Kann ich dir eins geben? Ja, sonst hätte ich keins mehr gehabt.
Looks like
Essence
nobody got
box.
a chance to donate anything before this all went down.
Ja, sonst hätte ich wirklich keinen mehr gehabt. Ja, gut, gehen wir halt dahin. Nicht da. Wir gehen jetzt da ins Büro. Papierkram erledigen. So, Büro. Ja, geh. Ah. Hast Angst?
Okay.
Warte. Hintergas.
Door leads to the back alley.
Easy, alles blockiert, das ist schon mal gut. Ja,
First aid kit.
ganz gut. Den brauchen wir. Ah, dort liegt noch ein Foto.
Luckily, there's nothing I need in here.
Zeige mal. Das Foto von der Family.